Did you ever realize people mostly prefer to cook basil with red onion? What kinds of basil are there? What cuisines are the different types of basil associated with? In the world of basil, what key ingredients differentiate one cuisine from another? Hi, I'm Vish, President and CTO at Power Central, and in this video of our Ingredients and Intelligence series, we're going to talk about everything basil, from the intelligence we gathered from thousands of recipes worldwide. So let's get started with very basic question. What types of basil are most common in cooking? Here, we can see that there are primarily two types of basil. We have Thai basil and the generic basil, which I would assume to be Genovese basil. I only don't know this because my 9-year-old daughter grows a bunch of Genovese basil to make delicious pesto sauce at home. So you can see that the Thai basil leaves and Thai basil should indeed be the same ingredient in our master data records. I'll show you how we automatically resolve these duplicates to sanitize master data records to prepare them for an ERP in another video. But for now, let's focus on the general understanding of basil. Let's go one step further and expand what recipes you can make with, say, Thai basil. As you expect, you see some delicious Thai recipes like spicy green mango salad with smoked fish, Thai red curry, and so on. But when we expand on basil, there are far too many recipes to get any reasonable understanding, as it looks like there are over 300 recipes. So, to analyze different cuisines basil is associated with, we dig deeper into our ingredients and intelligence system. We've actually run some clustering and community detection algorithms for basil ahead of time. So let's see what the galaxy of basil looks like. And bon appetito! It looks like there are about 112 communities or solar systems associated with the basil galaxy. There are some big communities here and here, but let's zoom in to a relatively small community of basil to see what's going on here. Here, in this microsolar system of basil, we have prawn and avocado platter with lime and chili dressing. We have grilled chicken with spicy guacamole and corn chips. But the common ingredient, other than basil, of course, that is key to all these recipes seems to be lime. So in each of these small clusters, there seems to be a unique ingredient that further defines that cluster. And just out of curiosity, let's see what's going on with the biggest community in our basil galaxy. And we can see that it's garlic clove that is the driving ingredient for the most of these recipes. All this is good, but sometimes we want to understand the relationship between a known ingredient and a specific community. For example, what different types of onions are used with basil and for what? And here we go. It looks like in the many different types of onions available, red onion is the one that is used in most of the recipes, like tomato bruschetta and rainbow orzo salad and so on. Of course, it looks like there are some recipes that don't care what type of onion is used, but it's safe to say that in the thousands of recipes that we analyze, red onion is definitely king. And there you have it, the ingredients and intelligence for basil. At Power Central, we use our ingredients and intelligence solution to help our customers get a deeper understanding of why their customers are ordering specific ingredients, what are the larger demographic or pop culture trends associated with these ingredients, and based on that intel, help our customers predict demand and set prices for specific ingredients, and also provide recommendations based on allergens, meat and protein substitutes, taste preferences, and so on. Thank you for watching.